So what you can see in front of you is the easiest, most beautiful, delicious soup ever. There's no ingredients. Well, there's very few ingredients. There's onions, potatoes, sweet corn, salt, pepper, and a little touch of oil to get it going with water. Nothing to it. And I guarantee that this is beautiful. I've tried this by adding carrots, garlic, loads of different things. Doesn't work. This is the one. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So absolutely nothing to this one at all. We've got potatoes, we've got sweet corn, and we've got onions. So I've got here about 300 grams, or a decent sized can of corn, 2 onions sliced or chopped however you want, quite frankly, and then potatoes. I've slightly got more potatoes than the other guys. I've used about sort of 4 decent sized potatoes there. We're going to start this off with some oil or butter if you want. I'm going to use oil today and add salt, pepper and water. So easy. Okay, so you're obviously going to need a pot or something like that, a nice decent sized pot. I've got some olive oil in there. Now, if you wanted, add some butter, but I'm going to keep my one vegan. We're really simply just going to drop in the onion, the corn, and the potatoes. To that, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. And we're going to throw this around in the pan for about 4 minutes on a high heat. Now, I've tried this with garlic. Didn't really work. I've tried it by adding thyme, other different herbs and spices. Just absolutely no need. It always seems to be better with just these 3 ingredients. So we're going to throw this around and then we're going to add water. And again, with water, I've tried it by adding chicken stock or vegetable stock. Just water. This is the most simple thing known to man or woman. Okay, so just a few minutes to bring it together. Water, in we go. Enough water just to cover it a little bit. Like I say, try it with stock if you want, but I'm telling you, I've made this so many times and this is the way to go, just the water. And if you want, you could add some celery, some carrots, other things like that. Again, I've tried it, not so much. Okay, lid on. We're going to boil the life out of that now. You want to boil it for about sort of 20, 25 minutes. We're looking for kind of baby food, you know what I mean? We want it super soft, then we're going to liquidize it. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Get a bit of steam out of there for you. And we've got really soft potatoes in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just liquidize this. I've got one of those guys that goes in, submergible, zoom, zoom, zoom. Now, the consistency of it is up to you. This might be a bit thick. Maybe add a little bit more water to it, unless you want it really thick. Let me do that. And I didn't actually add any more water. I like it that nice, thick consistency. The only thing you need to check now is the level of salt and pepper. That's fine for me. It is a super easy, beautiful, no nonsense soup. Let me get that in a bowl. And there we have it. The easiest, most delicious soup in the world, in the universe, in the solar system, whatever you want to call it. It is delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different you know, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. You know, I wanna get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, you know, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.